It's a rare business these days that doesn't collect or process some type of personal information. And as soon as you're doing that, you're subject to federal, state, and sometimes even foreign laws that regulate privacy, personal information, data security, and data breach. I think the most important thing to know about U.S. privacy law is that there isn't one. There are literally dozens, a patchwork of federal sector-specific laws, federal fair competition laws, and 47 different state laws. This makes working with a knowledgeable, experienced privacy lawyer absolutely critical to almost any business these days. The first thing to consider is federal privacy laws. You start with a series of sector-specific laws dealing with particular types of information. Just not handling personal information properly can violate the law. Obviously, you need an experienced lawyer to tell you how to navigate these complex rules. Secondly, we have the state level, where the privacy situation is even more complicated. 47 states have their own privacy legislation. Massachusetts law does apply to only a fairly small segment of data. Basically, a person's name coupled with social security number, driver's license number, or financial account numbers. So the harshest rules apply only to a limited class of data. But as the discussion before concerning federal rules tell you, that's a much broader class. And so even though you might think, we don't collect that kind of data, don't have to worry about it so much, not true. If you're collecting personal information of any kind, there's almost certainly some federal law or state law somewhere that hits you. It's important to work with a professional who can help you steer through these channels and get it right. I think the last thing to keep in mind is that a privacy policy is not just a form like a simple non-disclosure agreement. Given increasing public concern and increasing government enforcement, it's critical to have a privacy policy that accurately describes how your company collects and treats personal information.